Hey guys, this is a showcase for, I'm Alex, and this is a showcase for my CS184 project on Bezier curves. And today I'll be demonstrating some of the features that we've implemented. So first things first, we're going to do uniform subdivision with a 0.1 step size. And as you can see, teapot looks pretty nice. You can rotate it around. And we can change, well, we can also translate it, which is this. We can translate it to the left or to the right. We can also zoom in and zoom out. So pretty standard features, and we can also switch to wire shape mode. So as you can see, now we didn't fill in the polygons, and as you can also see, it's pretty uniform. Also, we can switch to flat shading. So that is another feature that we have. And as you can see the entire teapot from top, bottom, and that is uniform subdivision with 0.1. Now, when we switch to 0.01 step size instead, what we'll see is a much more detailed teapot, and in fact, it runs pretty slow because there are so many quads. And also here we can switch to shadings, though as you can see, it makes literally no difference. And we can also switch to wire mode, which as you can see makes very little difference, only that little dot at the top, and we'd have to zoom in quite a bit to actually see any of the quads. So that is uniform subdivision with 0.01, and I guess last but not least, we can do a uniform subdivision. We can do an adaptive. Now, adaptive is not as laggy, so as you can see, this is our adaptive. Looks a little bit different than before. Specifically, it has that star at the top, and likewise a cross at the bottom, which if we do flat shading, I believe should disappear. No, never mind. But as you can see, it does have that cross. Now here's how it looks if we do flat shading. As you can see, a bunch of small triangles. Also, we can switch to wireframe mode on this also. And if we were to zoom in a little bit, since it might be difficult to see, it's a bit laggy since it is relatively small. We'll see that there are in fact a bunch of triangles. So this is our showcase for this project, and hope you enjoyed.